Hello. Hey. My name's Tony.
My name's Louie.
We're gonna cook for you.
For you. We are going to cook the Italian style.
Wait.
So to start this off, everything needs like a thing to hold it
little
together.
something,
A little
you know,
something,
you know,
So
just a
like
little something.
maybe a little bit of a baking soda.
And it's the baking powder.
Baking powder.
Wait.
So what you want to do to get the best of baking powder is to take the end of a fork and just bash it in there.
Bow.
Bow. You
With
see
a little
this?
bow.
You see this?
Yeah.
You need to dust that off. Ooh, got a little of the floor.
It's okay. Just pick it up and put it back in the bowl.
Bow.
Wow. So delicious.
So delicious.
Then what you want to do is get some guacamole, preferably in a glass can.
Or a jar, whichever one comes first.
I don't know these
Who
things.
does this?
Who does
Who
this?
makes
No.
these words? What?
Anyway, you want to get the thing with the orange thing on it.
Yeah,
And
you
you
look
just
like
want-
this.
Oh, the smells already delicious already.
Oh, my mustache is turning yellow. You see this? Because it smells so good.
And you just want to get this.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe a couple of teaspoons of it and just bam, put it right in there. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Clean it off, of course, because you might need to use it again.
Who knows? Okay, and then afterwards, everyone likes a little butter and a little jelly. But what about peanut butter?
Oh, Jeff. I don't know these things.
I preferably,
With no peanuts in them.
yeah, with no peanuts.
chunks.
But if you like the wabam, you can get the crunchy one. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so you open it like this.
It's not so hard to open.
So good. And you take a tiny little spoon. You see how tiny? You don't need a big one. And you
No,
go
it's
like
just a
this.
very tiny.
No.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. See, the
Oh,
peanut
yeah.
butter is very sticky, so make sure you really bow it in there.
And a bow. And a bow. Oh, the bow.
Just bow it in there because it's very, very sticky. If you know what I'm saying. Now, since we had the peanut butter, we're gonna have not the jelly, but the cabbage.
Oh yeah, the sauerkraut. It looks like a sauerkraut.
But it's like sauerkraut, but cabbage.
but
so
the
it's
red.
like lettuce and cabbage.
And cabbage. It's like a red
And
cabbage.
this has a little bit of apple in it to give it a more a wee bow.
And a bow.
So you
And a
open
boom.
it if you can. I'm very strong, so ooh, it just open.
Oh,
You just
and
put, we don't really use the teaspoons. We just do whatever we feel like. If you feel like it should have a little bit more, you just put a little bit more.
so then you see this, you see the outside, but you can't see the inside.
You don't put in the inside. You just
You
put
don't
the
put
outside.
in-
What is it
see?
called? It's
Yeah.
the peel.
The peel, you know.
You don't want to put in the inside. It's
just the peel.
The peel.
No, not the inside, but the outside, like
the peel. Just the peel.
You see this? Okay.
Okay, now we just put it right in there.
We put it
We
in.
only remember just the peel, not the whole thing.
In this, I will tell you a secret about.
I'm not doing it, Louie. No secrets here. Always wanting to share
Maybe-
the family secrets. No.
Tony, did you just push me?
Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. What you going to do about it?
I will push your mustache up your nose like that.
Oh no! I can't believe he just did that. You know what I'm going to do?
No, wait, Tony, I don't think people at home should see this. So we shall wait 5 minutes while this boils and we wrestle. So we shall see you in exactly 5 minutes.
Don't forget it!
Don't. Sorry, Tony.
And there you are. The cooking!
Oh, the cooking!
It's done!
Oh, no.
I can't wait to see what we made!
Oh, yeah.
Look at that! I can't wait to share with you!
So big to share with.
We have so much!
It's so big. Oh.
Enjoy your meal!
Enjoy
you
it, sexy
people!